Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Python in Visual Studio Code. To use the Python, you have to make sure you have already installed the Visual Studio Code. If not, you can still get it from its website. Once you have it, open it up. And after that, on the top, you will see different options. From these options, you have to go and click on Terminal. And after that, you have to click on this first option, which is the new terminal. Click onto that one, and at the bottom you can see this section will come up. There you have to write Python, and then after that you have to press the enter key. After that, it will open the Microsoft Store and it will open the Python page there. So from there you have to simply install it. This installation and the downloading will take around 2 to 3 minutes based on your internet speed. Once it get installed, then you will be able to use the Python. So you just have to wait for a while. Once this installation gets complete, then we can proceed to the next step. Once it is done, then you have to simply go and open the Visual Studio Code, and there you have to type Python, and after that you have to write the version. This will tell us if the Python has been installed or not, and also its version, like which version has been installed. And after that you will see the Python and its version. This shows that the Python has been installed, and after that you just have to simply start with a new project and go with the Python to do your work. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.